So, Daniel, you make lots of things here at CE+T, including large, powerful inverters for UPS applications and small modular ones, but there's something very small there. What is this all about?
That one?
That one.
Oh yeah, well, this is a couple of years ago. This Google, you know Google, of course.
Mm-hmm.
It's the American company. So, well, the engineers in Google, realized that with the energy transition coming, maybe, well, the fact that those solar inverters are so huge, so heavy, so large, and it's not easy to lift and to hook on the wall, by the way. Huh? So the idea was that, well, it's because maybe that's too bulky. And so they asked the world and all the possible candidates to manufacture the smallest possible inverter. 400 volt input, 230 output, but 2 kilowatt in the smallest possible container. So this is the container for CE+T. So what happened there is that more than 2,000 candidates expressed their interest. So there was a procedure to shortlist those who had the most interesting ideas. And so ultimately there were 100, and out of those 100, 16 have been invited to actually build the inverter. So that's what we did. So that's the actual prototype that we manufacture for the purpose. So the whole intention there was to have this sent to NREL in the US, close to Denver, and actually go through a stress test. 100 hours of operation, cycling, different power, different temperature, vibrations, and all those kind of things. So we did. So we were not the smallest. There were a couple of others we were 5th or 6th in the ranking in terms of size. But actually ours sustained all the tests. So we went through the 100 hours of stress test. And since we were the smallest to succeed all the tests, we have been the winner. And so we got the check. So there was a $1 million check as a prize for the contest. So that has been actually shared by the company with all the employees, which was a fair, let's say, distribution. We were all happy. I can tell you that we have also drink a glass of champagne all together, because we have celebrated that. That's clear. But it's actually very good, because I can say that we had two benefits with it. The first is on the engineering side. And the team here actually brainstormed to have that idea becoming possible. So what is inside is the most advanced electronic or miniaturization of the electronic that you can ever think. And so you have GaN switches inside. So it's a type of, let's say, switches of, it's no more IGBT, but it's kind of switches that is used, that actually has a very small, teeny size, and that can operate at a very high frequency, because the switching response is extremely quick. So as we know in power electronic, we have to chop all the signals, we have to do all the things. And basically if we increase the frequency, we also increase the size of all the components. So that's the magic that you have inside this component. They are a little more than just that, because everything has been refined to be able to provide a solution that is of that size. Thermal management inside, efficiency, and the way that the heat sink has been designed to be able to exhaust all the calories that are produced inside the module. So, well, it's pretty advanced. So it's a technology that would be, well, similar to the one that you find in advanced electronic for aircrafts, military application, space equipment, and those kind of things. So the price is also, well, similar to those that you find in those markets. But definitely that has been an extremely good exercise for the engineers. The second benefit for the company is on, let's say, the marketing side, because everybody in the world, all the people, all those who are part of this village of power electronic have heard about CE+T getting this done. So it has been amazing because, well, still today, when we meet people on the other side of the planet that are involved in the power electronic, they, well, oh yes, the red stuff. This is the company that actually won the little box challenge. So definitely it has been good. It has been good for our mood, because altogether it was, well, we all would like to be part of a winning company. Yeah? So that's exactly the excitement that we have in the company to, well, to see that the capability of innovation is actually translated on something that has been rewarded by the top of the industry.
Wow, so I can see how the expertise that went to make the little box winner is actually built into all of the technology in this cabinet, because you basically do miniature, modularized, and big power systems. And so you took it to the extreme to win the little box competition.
Yeah, definitely.
Well done.
Basically that's, I told you that's part of the DNA of the company. We have been the first to come with a modular inverter on the marketplace back in the 90s. And we have also been the first to introduce digitalization, digital control in our module. So the big box that you see here, that one, actually, if you make a comparison between that one and this one, it's about the same size in power, okay? But this one was already digitally controlled the same way than this one is.
That one down there is 2 kilowatts?
That one there is 2 kilowatts.
Can you just put the little box winner next to it? Wow.
You see, that's about, well, it's a bit more than 20 years of evolution.
Yes.
So that's generation number 2. Generation number 1 is there. Generation number 2 is here. And that's actually generation number, 5 bis or 6 or whatever, because today it's not a commercial product. But actually the mindset, the excitement for innovation, that, let's say, team spirit that have supported the development of this product is now present in our, in the current product that we put on the market, like the Sierra and all the others. All the things that you see here are, in a way, inspired by the big step that we have made with this.
Thanks very much, Daniel.
You're welcome, Glenn.